How to add a welcome video on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Patreon. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click here on creator account and wait a few seconds. Now click here on edit your page. Click on advanced. Click on welcome notes. And here you will find welcome video. Add your URL from here and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.